I want to show you how to cable one stitch over another without using a cable needle, as you might in this all-over lattice pattern, in which all the pairs of stitches on both right side and wrong side are crossed one over another. And here's how you do it. In this case, on the right side rows, the second stitch is going to pass behind the first stitch, which makes it trickier to work. If it were the second stitch passing in front, I would just knit that first and then knit the first stitch second, but I can't do that here. So what I'm going to do instead is going to look a little like a Norwegian purl. I want the left stitch, the second stitch, to pass behind the right stitch, the first stitch. So my right needle tip goes behind and then up in between both stitches. Now I insert it into the second stitch. For this pattern you wrap twice, and now I'm going to bring it back up to effectively knit that second stitch. Now I'm going to take the tip back where it came from. So I've knit the second stitch. Now I need to knit the first stitch, and I can let both stitches fall off the left needle, and you can see crossed stitches, right stitch crosses in front of left stitch. When you're working the lattice pattern, be aware that it's double wrap, single, double, single. Use that rhythm to help you. This rhythm is the rhythm you'll have on both right and wrong side rows, so it's always the first stitch is double wrapped, the second stitch is single wrapped. It's this pair that goes together, not this pair. And if you keep that in mind, you should be able to work this lattice lace pattern without a lot of trouble and enjoy this really lovely fabric.